currently working with Nueva Ljusta from Counterculture. So this is tamarind, hazelnut, and creamy, and it is from Caranavi, Bolivia. And so this is Counterculture, certified organic. Fantastic coffee as always. Okay.
How much coffee do we have?
Well, we're using a little less right now than I normally like to. Today we have only 30 grams because this is kind of the ends of the bag. So we have our water at 84 degrees and we're going to be using the Inverted Aeropress Method. So we have our gooseneck kettle, we have our coffee loaded into an inverted AeroPress. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet the filter. And so just get that nice and steamy. And so now I'm going to start the timer. So I aim for 150, but we'll go up a little higher this time.
150 grams of water.
And so now we're at 172. I have a wooden stirring implement. And so at around 30 to 33 seconds, we're going to go ahead and cap this. And then around a minute, we're going to invert and press. So now we begin pressing. We don't want to go too fast.
Slow and steady?
Slow and steady. So we want to press this over about 30 seconds. It's giving off a beautiful aroma. Okay. Everything out. And then, I can actually smell the tamarind. So now we're gonna add a little bit more water. So I actually like drinking it like this, but if you add a little bit more volume, it makes it last longer. So I'm gonna add about 70
grams of water.
70 grams of water. Went a little bit over. And so this is gonna be a little weaker than I'd like because we did 30 grams of coffee instead of 35. But, you know, cheers.